Okay guys, 94 C350. It's a Centurion built on a F350 platform. It's crew cab short bed converted to a 4-door Bronco. I'm sure you guys have probably seen these before. I'm going to move this thing out so I can get a little bit better video, but I just wanted to do a cold start. It is August 6th today, 2023. So we're up in Alaska. Let me see if this is going to work here. It's pointed there at the manifold, so we're not really too cold today. It's 65, so this is about as good as I can get. If I point it here, 65. So I'm gonna give it a start and then walk around with it running, let you guys see, and then I'll move it out and get some better video of the interior, maybe some drive stuff and whatnot. So here's the key. We're gonna wait to start. There it is. Black leather interior.